Guys, in the world of cocktails, not every one of them has to get you wasted. And today we're making one whose name might suggest different, but it's actually not too strong, it's really fruity, should be really tasty. So without further ado, let's make a hard case. Hard case is a cognac based cocktail mixed with an interesting combination of blackcurrant liqueur and some lemon juice. Even though its name sounds like it can knock you down, actually it's pretty light. So let's start with first ingredient, cognac, 45 ml, 1.5 ounce. Followed by our Creme de Cassis, or whatever is pronounced. Pardon my French. 15 ml, half an ounce. And the last ingredient, fresh lemon juice, 7.5 ml, quarter of an ounce. I have it pre-measured here. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for, like always, 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Ooh, smells fruity. Now in the cocktail glass. And we're going to double strain the cocktail into our glass. Yeah, that's it. And we're going to garnish it with just a small piece of lemon. So you can cut a lemon wheel, cut it in half, and cut one half into two halves, get a little slice, and just stick it like this. And that's it, ladies and gents, hard case. Cheers! Yeah, it's pretty fruity. You can't taste cognac at all. It's all blackcurrant and lemon juice. So this is not strong in the volume of alcohol. Just a small hint of cognac, not too much. It's quite fruity, quite refreshing. It's not on the sweet side, it's more fruity, sour side, citrusy side. So if you're into those kinds of cocktails, this one's for you. It's nice, it's really nice. Yeah, it's cool. Well, ladies and gents, that's it for today. We made a hard case, 3-ingredient cocktail, really easy to make. You got cognac, blackcurrant liqueur, lemon juice, cute garnish, not too complicated. So if you're into these kinds of cocktails, let me know in the comments below. Hit that like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.